Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to solve the problem of ad account disabled. We disable your ad account to protect your personal and financial info. To run ads again, you will need to fill out a form and request a review. Or if you come to the billing section, you may also see we notice some unusual activity. So we have disabled your ad account. Verify your account to run ads again. Now, I will tell you exactly why this problem happens and how to get it resolved. Now, this particular problem happens when there are several reasons. So let me give them one at a time. One, you have added a new payment method to your account, and maybe Facebook has detected that the debit card you have used as a payment method, maybe it was issued in a different country from your current location. So for example, let's say you are in the US and you are trying to make a payment, and the debit card you are using is from Africa or India. That is just one example. Or you are from Africa and the debit card you are trying to use is from Europe or America. They may have a problem with this particular problem may resolve. Or two, it may be that you have logged into the account in a different location and you try to do so many transactions at the same time. And this particular thing usually happens, especially if your account is hacked. This account, for example, was hacked. It was hacked by some hackers. I think, according to what we saw, it was some hackers from Vietnam who hacked the account, and they did so many things on the account. And they virtually, in fact, we almost lost the account. It was even suspended by Facebook. But we followed up and we were appealing. Following Facebook indicated them personal identification documents, national identity card, and other things, till we were able to finally get the account back after 3 months. So after we got the account back, we realized that they have suspended the account. And the reason why they suspended the advertising account is that they noticed that the one who logged in was trying to run so many adverts at the same time. And the budget he was using was far more than the normal budget we have been using. So Facebook had to suspend it because the activity was unusual. So these are some of the things. So it could be a new device or new location, or it can be using a debit card from a different country. These are the reasons why this problem happens. So in order to get it resolved, you click on request review. So it will ask you to select the ad account. So you select the ad account that has a problem and is a personal ad account. So we select it. They will ask you that if you are unable to verify your payment method, please provide the details about the issue so that we can investigate. So I've already taken time to write in detail. And so this is what I wrote. I said that my ad account is disabled, and I am told we noticed some unusual activity. So we disable your ad account again. Your ad account. Verify your account to run ads again. My account was hacked on 9th August 2023, and I made a complaint to Facebook and have been following up. And it was only on 20th November 2023 that I fully recovered my account. However, when I logged in, I saw that my ad account was disabled to protect my personal and financial info. And the personal and financial info is what they said from their own system. I am the owner of the account. Attached is my bank statement indicating my ads payment from my primary debit card connected to my ad account. Please help me get this resolved. Then they said, attach the financial statement. Attach a statement for your payment method that include the last 4 digits of the payment method, any recent charges from Facebook. Your statement must meet these requirements to allow for a timely review. And so you get your financial statement attached. And so some people don't know how to get a financial statement. You have to request from your bank. So when you are requesting from your bank, make sure that the last payment, when you come to your billing section, you see the last time some activity happened, maybe some payments happen on your other account, okay, you have to make sure you make the request to include that particular period so that it will show. So as you can see, there were a lot of transactions here. And so you have to make sure that those transactions are showing on your payment method, your bank statement, so that when you submit, they can follow up to check and make sure that you are really the owner of the account. So I have my bank statement. Let me just get it up. So I have attached images of the bank statement, and I've also added an image of my debit card so that they can check the debit card, check the transactions on the bank statement, check the card that is attached to the Facebook, and this can help them to know that yes, this is really the owner of the account. So after I've added all those things, then good. So it says your message has been sent to Meta ad support. So we can check for a response in the support inbox. We're checking for a response from the support inbox, and this is the support inbox. So this is it. We haven't got the response here. So everything I said is here. When they respond, the response will show here. And if the problem is solved, it will actually, when you come here, you see that it will vanish. You will no longer see whatever was there again. So when you follow this procedure, you're going to get your issue resolved. If your issue is still not resolved, you can leave your comments in the comment section. You can also follow the WhatsApp link in the description to WhatsApp us so that we can help you get your account back and running again. You may also leave comments, and we also encourage you to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for other more powerful videos. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.